50 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Locations impacted include Asheboro, Troy. Northeastern Richmond County in central North Carolina, north central Scotland County in central North Carolina, until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated stationary thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Pinehurst, Hamlet, Aberdeen, Hoffman, Pine Bluff, Foxfire, Sand Hills Game Land and Camp Mackerel. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Here is a special weather statement. A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of southern Alamance, northwestern Moore, eastern Montgomery, eastern Randolph and western Chatham counties through 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm over Seagrove, or 8 miles southwest of North Carolina Zoo, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts up